Hey guys, Fishy here, and some of the fakers have been really good at imitating Americans in their profiles. They've made it look very difficult to tell these profiles from what a typical American profile would look like. And I really wanted to go after those because those take time to build. And if we cripple them by cutting down on the number of real looking profiles, it'll be easier to catch the next generation that they're using because they won't have so many built up old genuine looking profiles. So I found Chloe Carter trying to get into a group that I'm helping, and I really wanted to look closely at this one. It looks like a matching picture of a healthy, energetic girl. The gender's correct up here. Works at an insurance group, went to a university, went to a different college also, lives in Colorado. I mean, this stuff is consistent with what you would think a person in that area would look like in their profile. And these are the things on the wall. It's a mix. Here's Rosie O'Donnell's on CNN. Here is just a promises kept group page or page post. Here is different story from Fox News, from kids going back to school. Here's the football kneeling controversy. Here is O'Reilly. This is not one particular bit of content being pushed out. It's a variety. Some of it Fox News, all of it conservative leaning, and then some pretty pictures, and then more. So this is a good mix of what I would see if I were looking at a real profile. I would expect to see these things. So like I said, they're getting better at this. When I have friends to look at, though, they don't typically clean up their friends lists. And so some of these don't look like they're right. I think this one is fake, and I've turned that one in. I think this one is fake, and this one is fake, and I've turned both of those in, as well as this one. So I think this is a connected profile to a bunch of fakes run by one particular person. And I only know that from looking at friends. There's really not a whole bunch that's telling on here. Here's some soccer clubs and some Bieber, some movies, some TV shows that are news-based, something poetry, but you can't really see what it is without clicking, games, likes. These are all things you would imagine somebody who really liked Fast and Furious series, and that's it. This is a well-built out profile. But I know it's fake, and the way that I know it's fake is because I went and looked at the comments on other profiles' photos. And this is what the Chloe profile has been posting on. And a lot of it is Pakistan themed and related. And that's telling, I think. And then when we look at this guy, photo, Ali here, we're going to check and see the tags on this one because we know that Chloe has posted on this particular. Yep, there it is, Chloe. And underneath here we have Ziaa Ur Rehman, and there's Chloe Carter. So it's only through going this deep in a profile that I'm able to know definitively that this is a fake. Now, some other things triggered me as someone who spends a lot of time in this space, but people who don't make this their hobby or, their job here, they wouldn't know. And so what I want to do is be able to share this to show people that sometimes fakes look really sophisticated and really good. And you need a tool like the Stalk Scan tool that will help you dig up these little inconsistencies that otherwise might pass, and this profile would be able to spam a whole bunch. I don't imagine Chloe Carter's profile will be up very much longer, but in case, at least, please share this video. Help embarrass Facebook enough to make them take it down.